Getting certified in Workday isn't just a formality. It's your golden ticket to career growth. First, understand why certification matters. It boosts credibility. Next, pick the certification that suits your role. Use Workday's training resources. Think of them as your trusty study sidekick. Finally, enroll and ace that exam. And yes, a little coffee and a lot of confidence go a long way. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. So, what's Workday certification all about? It's proof that you know your stuff when it comes to Workday. There are different certifications depending on your role, whether you're a partner or customer, and no shortcuts here. Training is mandatory before the big test. Think of it as the warm-up before the race. You wouldn't run a marathon without stretching first, right? Why go through all this trouble for certification? Simple. It's like adding rocket fuel to your career. It enhances job opportunities, makes you more credible, and gives you access to exclusive Workday resources. Plus, certified professionals are in demand. It's like being part of an elite club, but instead of secret handshakes, you get better job prospects. Think of Workday certification as a mix of theory and practice. You need to know the concepts and how to apply them. It covers various Workday products, needs periodic renewal because things change fast, and is open to both Workday partners and customers. So if you thought you could get certified once and relax forever, think again. It's a journey, not a one-time event. Preparing for the certification exam is the first key step. Start by understanding the exam's objectives and any prerequisites. You don't want surprises on test day. Collect study resources like guides or videos, and create a study schedule to stay on track. Lastly, mock tests are your secret weapon. They help you gauge readiness and tackle exam anxiety like a pro. And remember, the earlier you start, the smoother it will be. Knowing the exam structure is like having a map for a treasure hunt. You'll want to know how many sections there are, the types of questions you'll encounter, and the allotted time. Multiple choice or case studies. Bring it on. Understanding the scoring system gives you insight into what's most important. This knowledge keeps you calm, focused, and ready to conquer the exam. It's all about working smart, not just hard. Let's talk about the core topics. These are your bread and butter for the Workday certification. Dive into Workday basics to grasp the foundation. Explore HR functionalities to manage workforce data like a pro. Financial processes, a piece of cake once you understand them. And don't forget reporting and analytics. They make data-driven decisions effortless. Break it down and tackle these topics step by step. Studying smart beats studying hard, always. Set up a comfy, distraction-free space and break your study sessions into smaller chunks. You don't want to fry your brain with marathon sessions. Take breaks and recharge. It's like pressing the reset button. Joining a study group or forum is the cherry on top. Support and shared wisdom make the journey easier and, dare I say, more fun. The big day is here. Make sure to arrive early if it's in person, or log in on time for an online test. Double-check your identification. No ID means no entry. Read questions carefully. No rushing to conclusions, Sherlock. Staying calm and focused is your superpower here. Remember, you've prepared well, and this is just another step toward your goal. Certification is an investment in time, money, and effort. Know the exam fees up front, so there are no shocks later. Training and study materials add to the cost. Think of them as tools in your success kit. Time, sure, it's precious, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the cost. And remember, it's not just a certification. It's a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. Your certification is like a golden ticket. It validates your skills and expertise, showing the world you mean business, better job opportunities, and enhanced credibility. Check and check. Plus, you get to be part of a professional community, a network that supports and inspires you. Celebrate your success, but know that this is just the beginning of exciting new chapters. Certifications aren't one-and-done deals. They need nurturing. Familiarize yourself with renewal requirements and stay updated on Workday system changes. Required training sessions. Think of them as power-ups for your skill set. Keep an eye on renewal timelines to avoid any last-minute panic. It's a bit of effort, but hey, staying certified means staying ahead of the curve. A Workday certification unlocks doors you didn't even know existed. Specialist roles, career growth, and higher earning potential are all in sight now. Networking with other professionals opens more doors. Certification isn't the end. It's the start of a rewarding journey. Gear up for success because opportunities are calling, and you're more than ready. All right, folks, let's wrap things up. We've covered some vital insights today. Key takeaways you can't afford to miss. These topics are not just important. They're the foundation for making informed decisions. I've also outlined actionable steps to help you implement what we've discussed effectively. Lastly, I encourage you to keep exploring these ideas and stay engaged. You've got this. Thank you all for being here and being such an attentive audience. It's been a pleasure. Your participation has truly added value to this session. Now it's your turn to shine. Ask questions, share thoughts, and let's discuss further. Don't hesitate to dive in. There are no wrong questions, only opportunities to learn. Let's make this Q and a fun and insightful. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity.